What's going on, internet? I got help from my community recently after reaching out to make an ambitious indie project. I want to make an original animated film or series. It's something I've wanted to do for a long time. I've always really liked screenwriting and storycraft. I kind of practice it quietly on my own. So yeah, I'm finally in the place where I have the skills somewhat as a 3D artist and animator, as well as the connections to also just the confidence to um, ask for help, to make an original animated film or series. So I wanted to make a series of videos to sort of track our progress, sort of like how game devs make devlogs. I thought I'd make like director log videos to keep up with what we're doing each month. Hopefully I can put one out once a month at least. But at any rate, whenever we have big milestones, I'll try to put out a director log like this to kind of track our progress. This is not a tutorial series. I have to make that clear. It's not a tutorial series. I'm actually not allowed to make a tutorial series because I already have a tutorial series with Coloso. If you want to check that out, it's a really great resource for Blender artists at a beginner to intermediate level. I've gotten a lot of good feedback from the Coloso course, so yeah, that goes through my whole workflow from scratch, from default cube to finished animation. Again, it's for beginners to intermediate level, so if you're an absolute beginner, it might be kind of intimidating, and if you're more advanced at Blender, it might not really be super helpful. So it's really for that group of people who want to go from a beginner level to an intermediate level. It teaches you those skills that you need, as well as the organizational skills that really help you take bigger strides in art overall, in 3D art, I mean. Anyways, this project that I'm creating with the help of my community is called Camp. It's a summer camp paintball action coming of age story, and it slowly becomes more like an action thriller over time. Basically, the camp that all these kids go to is hiding like a really scary secret. So we follow this camper called Greenie. That's the character that you're seeing me create on the screen. We follow Greenie as he tries to get out of his older brother's shadow while slowly discovering the truth about this summer camp. So yeah, I wrote this a while ago, or I came up with the concept a while ago. I've been developing it for about like 5 years. I actually don't have a finished screenplay for it, but the entire story is blocked out. I recently wrote a 9 to 10 minute like mini version that is gonna be what this project is all about, which I'll talk about more in a sec. But yeah, this is inspired by anime and punk stuff like Fooly Cooly or Gorillas. The characters are going to be really flashy, and the animation hopefully will be like really expressive and unique. So that's kind of what I'm aiming for. I reached out for help on this project because even though I'm a pretty good 3D artist, good animator, there's a lot of things that I can't do to a professional level to create the kind of product that I want to make. Such as, I'm not like a crazy good rigging artist. I'm not good at environment art at all. So I reached out and asked for help because someone encouraged me to do so, and I wasn't expecting anything. I made it very clear that I couldn't really compensate anyone. I felt very regretful about that for even asking. But to my surprise, a ton of cool artists reached back out to me, artists that I admire and follow and included. And yeah, I couldn't say no to that. I just couldn't take that for granted. So with all that help and positive energy and enthusiasm for me wanting to make like a personal project, I had to start to get organized. So I use this app called Milanote that my friend showed me, as well as Discord. So we're using Discord to kind of organize most of the materials and work in progress stuff. There's a ton of cool artists in the Discord right now, professionals and beginners alike. So feel free to join us. You can join my Discord. It's linked in the description, I think, or you can find it on my Twitter at joyof3d. Basically, if you want to help out with the project, I'll just add you to the hidden channels that we have there. I can't promise that everyone's contributions will be included in the film, because again, my main focus is to make sure that we make like as high a quality product as we can. And I also can't really pay anybody anything, which really sucks, but I just don't have the money for it. I can offer teaching services or just a cool space for you to hang out with other artists, or anything else that we can maybe work out. I'm happy to help out and, you know, try to give back to the people who are helping me a lot. At any rate, whether you're a professional or a beginner, this is a really cool space to be. There's a lot of people there who don't really have the skills to confidently contribute, but they just want to be there and, you know, soak up knowledge from the more professional people there who are kind of happy to spread that knowledge, which is awesome. So it's just a fun space, and we're all just like posting stuff about the project. Our overall goal is to create like a 9 or 10 minute short film, which will be standalone and hopefully be, you know, fun and satisfying. But then we can take that short and pitch it to studios or producers, or even maybe just put it on Kickstarter and try to get funding, like actual budget funding, to make this into a feature film or a series. And then I can actually hire a team and compensate them accordingly. Yeah, so that's the goal, is to make that 10-minute short as cool as possible, and then you know, see if we can turn it into something more. And if not, then we all came together and made a really cool thing anyways. So I just want to make this series of director logs, sort of like journals about the project, to kind of just place checkpoints and share some cool stuff that our team is making, such as 3D modeling or storyboards or screenwriting stuff, voice acting stuff, anything that we create. I want to try to share it. I might even try to get like some of the artists on our team on this so they can talk about their work and, you know, what goes through their head when they're making their stuff. And hopefully it could just be a cool like knowledge sharing thing, which again is not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial series. This is just a series of logs, of development logs for an indie film. So I think that's everything I wanted to say, but I'm very excited to show more about this project in the future, and I'm very thankful for everyone helping me out on it. I'm thankful for you watching this video. If me making a movie sounds like something you're interested in, just keep watching these videos and feel free to comment, show your support. If you're an artist, feel free to join the Discord. Artists of any kind, 2D artists, 3D artists, musician, whatever. Like, any way you want to contribute, there might be a place for you to contribute. I can't promise anything, but we would love to have you on board regardless. Yeah, so I can't wait to show you more about this independent film project called Camp. Thank you for watching, and I'll post more of these soon. Bye bye.